Hello guys, I'm Saquib here and today we will understand how to install Python. So let's get started. To install Python we have got link over here. Either we can just copy it or we can just go to the Google and type download Python. So here we will get the first link to download Python and here it is. We will click on it and it shows that the latest version of Python is 3.7.2 and on clicking of this it will be get downloaded. So in my system I have already downloaded it as we can see here. So what you have to do, you have to just double click it or just click it and hit enter, then it will give you steps. Okay, in my system it is already downloaded, so I will let you know the steps which are to be taken care of, and those are very much important. So for that I have already taken a screenshot from the Google. So when you will double click on the downloaded python.exe, you will get this screen. And when you will install it, before installing it and pressing this install now button, you have to take care of this button, this checkbox actually. You have to check it out. If you will not check it out, then your command line of your system won't understand the Python keyword. So this is necessary. When you will check it out, it says that add Python to path, which means that the directory where Python resides will be added into the environmental variable path of your system. So whenever your executable files will be run, operating system will try to find those executable file in the provided directory. So in your system it will be already added. So you don't need to worry about it. That's why it is important. So after checking this checkbox, you have to install it. And when you will install it, it will ask several more options. You can just click install for all users, and either you can change the default path for Python where your programs will be stored, or you can just keep it as it is. I will suggest that keep it as it is and just click on install. So once it will be installed in your system, now what you have to do, the second thing, you have to just check it out whether it is installed or not. To check it out it is installed or not, just click on Windows R. You have to press it and type cmd over there. Okay, then to verify whether Python is installed, type Python and hit enter. So here we can see that Python is installed in my system. So I hope that in this way in your system Python will be installed. Now let's do the coding. So let's start doing one line of coding. I will use print keyword of Python and just print hello world, the famous two words. Just hit enter. See, we have got the output. Or what we can do, just play with the code. 1 plus 5 and then again print print a. So here we can see that we have got output of 6, that is 1 plus 5 6. So this is the one way of doing coding in Python, and I will tell you another way also. Just go to the Windows bar and there you have to find Python folder. LMNOP. Yes. So in my system and in your system also, you will get the Python folder here. So here are options. The second option is Python 3.7 32-bit. This is the command line of Python. So we will click on this and a screen like this will be opened. So here also what we can do, we can do our coding. Print Saquib is my name. So hit enter. Saquib is my name is printed here. So this is the second way of doing coding. Now the third way of doing coding. You have to go back to the Python folder. Here it is. And you can see IDLE Python 3.7 32-bit. This is the interface of Python. And this would be shown like this. So here also we can do coding and we can write, we can pass the string in it. I love So here you can see that this is the third way. In the Python shell interface, we can do the coding. Now the fourth way. Just press Windows R, write notepad, and the notepad will be open. Here also we can do coding. We can write our stuff here. Print hello world. How are you? And just save it. Save it with the name hello.py. Py is the extension given to the Python files. So don't forget to give the extension py and just select all types. So we have given the name hello.py and save it. I have saved this file in the F folder. So again, what we have to do, we have to go to the command line, cmd. With the command line, with the help of command line, we can run our Python code. So where we have saved our Python code, we have saved in F folder. Now we are in C user Saquib. So we have to jump into first F drive. For that, we have to go back to root folder. Now we are at the root folder. Now we have to jump into F folder. Now we are in F folder. So to execute our program, what we have to do, we have to use the same keyword Python and our program name, that is python.py. Py is the extension given to the Python files, and we will hit enter. Yay, we have got our output, that is hello world, how are you. Let's update the output. Hello world, how are you? I have arrived. We will save it and we will go back to cmd, and again we will run this updated file. As you can see, hello world, how are you? I have arrived is being displayed. So guys, these are the four ways in which you can do programming in Python basically. There are many ways in which you can do programming. You can download IDEs like PyCharm or Jupyter Notebook. So in the next video, I will tell you to download how to download and install Anaconda packages and why it is important. So, guys, if you have any views or suggestions for me, you can just comment in the comment box. And thank you for today.